Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Welcome to my Pilates studio here in Los Angeles, and we are going to talk about rocking. I love that it's part of the rolling series. Even though it's totally an extension exercise, you rock and roll, so it's a rolling exercise to me. But what I love about rocking is it really challenges all the extension work that you did do previously in the mat work. And while it's easy to cheat in rocking, I feel like it's one of the best full body exercises out there, and a really key exercise if you are trying to combat posture, like poor posture, right, where the head is coming forward. You really want to get strength in there, and it requires a lot of flexibility and, most importantly, a lot of strength. If you are too flexible, this exercise will be really easy to sink into your back, hang off your shoulders, and your head's gonna fall forward. Not only is it not pretty, it's not gonna feel good either. If you're really tight, you might get frustrated because it might be hard to grab your feet or to roll at all, but you are gonna definitely feel the strength that's in it, and eventually the flexibility will come. So ideally, you're in a really good equal balance of strength and stretch, and I find it to be totally delicious. So if you've been doing your single leg kick and your double leg kick, those are the same muscles you're going to use to help you with your rolling in the rocking part of this. If you aren't doing those well, I would go back and do those before you do the double leg kick or do the open leg rocker. No, you're just going to rock. It's just called rocking. Anyways, there's a lot of names that are the same, right? So forgive me on that. This is called rocking. But what I would say is if you're struggling with single leg kick and double leg kick and reaching back and grabbing both legs at the same time is just not possible for you, you can squeeze your legs together, lift your knees up and reach back and just try to do this. You're gonna feel all these muscles turn on, you're gonna feel these muscles turn on, and then you can practice doing your double leg kick to get more strength around the middle and more flexibility here. So if you can't grab your ankles here, but you're able to do this, then just take note that you're probably hyperextending things, not actually in the strength and stretch of them in the double leg kick. So really focus on practicing the strength that's in your double leg kick because it is key for rocking. So ideally you grab both feet same time, and then there's a little elbow bend here where you're stretching the front of your legs and really helping connect your arms to your back. So I'm pulling, so my arms connect to my back, and I'm also stretching the front of my legs. So that way when I push my feet up, my arms are connected to my back, so I pull up, right? You can look the other way, and you can pull 1, 2, 3, and then come up into your bow shape. And then you can go 1, 2, 3, and you can come up into your bow shape, right? So there's that, and you'll rock back and forth like this. And ideally, you're not using your head, right? Your head is following your spine. So don't leave it down here, pick it up, bring it back, and you rock like 3 to 5 times. And then you can do a child's pose. So again, if you're feeling that in your lower back, I would definitely do more double leg kick, single leg kick, and work on getting the stretch in the front of your legs, the strength in the back of your legs, and getting more openness in your chest and strength with your arms connected to your back. It's gonna feel a lot more pleasant. Another thing is, since you can't use your head to take you back and forth, where does it come from? It's gonna come from the legs. So the more I lift my legs up and I'm staying in this strong extension, not a hyper flexible extension, then my body will just tip onto its front. And then because I'm gonna, what goes up must come down, it will pick me back up and I'll go back and forth. You can also, if you have access to a reformer, the down stretch is really excellent in teaching this extension and reaching from the legs. So you can check that out on my reformer playlist. If you have any questions, as always, you can comment below. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love to see you in class every week over at onlinepilatesclasses.com if you're looking for an easy 30-minute mat workout without having to take too much time and things to find it. So hopefully I'll see you over there, and have a good day. Thank you.